Good afternoon, Professor. Today I'll make a presentation on the case study of Walmart's operation management. First, I'll talk about the business philosophy. The Walmart's business model is based on reducing costs and increasing profits for consumers. Walmart targets ordinary families and middle and lower class consumers. For this reason, Walmart selects products that are popular, have high sales volume, and have a moderate mix of high and low grade products. Its corporate culture is built on the customer is God, respect for every employee, and everyday pursuit of excellence. And then I'll talk about the Walmart's operating status, like the supplier management. Walmart has always valued suppliers. In the supermarket supply chain, good supplier relationships have always been important. Walmart has emphasized supplier trust and shared success. A good way for suppliers to collaborate is to tie their fate to Walmart's. Supplier data exchange supply chain distributions cause the bullwhip effect. The bullwhip effect is asymmetric. To meet demand, P&G can adjust distribution where Walmart can adjust sales strategy. This prevents overstocking and stockouts. Walmart avoid middlemen by buying directly from manufacturers saves money, reduces supply chain expenses, and transfers intermediary profits to customers. And for its status of logistics and distribution management, Walmart has efficient storage. 6 large Walmart distribution centers suppliers deliver goods to 23 football field-sized distribution hubs. After receiving a shop customer's order, the distribution center selects and packs the items. Unify the receipt and the inspection also saves Walmart money on management and logistic costs. This vehicle can track their location, the goods they transport, and their destination. For example, returning goods purchased from suppliers when the trucks return to the distribution center, transports, logistics, and distribution costs can be reduced. And for its inventory management, Walmart supports VMS. VMS' main idea is to shift product storage from retailers to suppliers. Supply chain costs rise. Walmart lets suppliers managing inventory. P&G creates a continuous replenishment system for Walmart to avoid out-of-stock or overstock situations. Profitable inventory management can increase P&G sales volume at Walmart, resulting in a win-win situation for both parties. To reduce inventory levels and out-of-stocks, Walmart uses an efficient delivery system that replenishes twice a week. This team will closely monitor product inventories and quickly replenish out-of-stock items. This saves money. Walmart follows the JIT principle, which is just in time, which means suppliers must deliver goods on time. If the supplier is late, the supermarket suffers from out-of-stock costs. On-time delivery by Walmart has reduced inventory costs and improved supply chain control. For its inventory management performance, following a brief rise from 2008 and to 2011, Walmart's inventory turnover fell rapidly for 5 years before rising again in 2016. Affected by the COVID-19, Walmart's inventory turnover increased rapidly in 2021, reaching 9.4 times its previous high. For its operation conditions, operating profit measures a firm's success. Walmart's revenue has risen steadily over the last 15 years. And then we'll do an analysis for its potential problems, like deliveries not being completed on time. COVID-19 has disrupted global supply chains. Infection or epidemic control halted economic activity and prevented workers from working. COVID-19 in Vietnam forced over 100,000 workers out of work, and the high cost of anti-epidemic measures caused factory closures and increased freight costs. During the epidemic, people worked from home, increasing online shopping, while many U.S. companies struggled to produce e-commerce exploded. Online orders grew 39% year-on-year in the fourth quarter. According to the U.S. Commerce Department, a large number of orders cannot be filled quickly due to the lack of supply, and its changes in the structure of the workforce. The government's response to COVID-19 is one reason. Restrictions can cause labor shortage in countries like USA. The second issue is that home quarantine orders can delay native workers returning to work, expecting job inequalities and shortages, especially in industries like retail and manufacturing. Following the epidemic, production appears to have gradually normalized, resulting in increased freight traffic. Given the U.S. supply chain and labor issues, a pay increase seems counterproductive in Walmart's chain is threatened by rising labor costs. And Walmart's global supply chain strategy is unevenly laid out. Walmart's expansion coincided with the rapid growth of the Mexican economy. Walmart's success is due to U.S. business model of buying in bulk to reduce costs. As a result of its failure in Germany, Walmart began to focus on local management when entering the Chinese market. But supply issues arise due to the large information network environment gap between China and the US. Without local management, Walmart has struggled in some foreign markets despite its success in the US. So, for the measures we advised, enhancing the digitalization of the Intel supply chain operation process, increasing supply chain elasticity is critical in today's volatile business environment. Adopting quickly to the epidemic requires digital capabilities. Intuitive production can be established with end-to-end visibility and traceability. Businesses must consider their own digital capabilities and supply chain risks when establishing digital supply chains. Supply chain management can be improved by using a company's own assets and a good digital platform. Businesses can improve supply chain effectiveness by working with vital stakeholders when the supply chain is high risk and digital. And also consider risk management and adjustments at both the market and supply side. The use of local and neighboring sources of supply is encouraged as its creation of a buffer zone for certain raw materials and suppliers, which can be used to mitigate losses from supply risks to deal with supply chain disruptions. Of course, it's critical to consider risk management and adjustment, as well as setting aside capital to ensure the company has enough liquidity to overcome operational challenges, and strengthen cooperation with third-party companies. The GPS satellite signals may lose lock near tall buildings, ravines, and high-voltage power lines, affecting drone posting. For example, Walmart claims hackers frequently attack systems, stealing customer data, disrupting mobile digital platforms, shopping experiences, and compromising supply chain integrity. So third-party partnerships are possible. Working with companies like Tesla, which has advanced self-driving technology, Walmart can save money while saving time on goods transport. And for the conclusion, Walmart has used advanced scientific supply management methods for decades by establishing mutually beneficial relationships, sharing market information with suppliers, and directly connecting with original manufacturers. Walmart has gained market share. The company also uses logistics supply chain as support technology to ensure product data, accuracy, and visualization through the supply chain. Walmart also excels at inventory control. Walmart uses VMI and GNAT to increase inventory turnover and revenue. An incidental COVID-19 has impacted Walmart's supply chain and highlighted potential issues. In our opinion, only enhancing digital operations, enhancing supply chain flexibility, and leveraging professional partners can help reduce environmental uncertainty. On one hand, factories closures exploited the supply-demand imbalance. This prevents Walmart from fulfilling orders. It's important for Walmart to fully digitalize its supply chain operations, connect it to a network of suppliers, and fully align it with demand. Walmart must shift its focus to the supply side where the risk is unprecedented. Finally, seeking and leveraging external forces is an important business goal. Walmart can choose reliable third-party delivery companies to improve delivery services and customer satisfaction. And so, experience is the key to Walmart's long-term retail success. And this is all for the presentation. And thanks for watching.